You want your cigarette back?
Yeah. I don't think this fucking golf club's gonna do anything for me, but whatever.
Alright. Here's the second attempt of floating down the river. There he goes. How's that working for you? I think if you stay to the left, you'll be okay. There he goes, past a car. Now I just, huh? Well, you might be on the news. There's the chopper. See how this works out. Here's the bad part. Shit, now I have to walk. Now I have to walk through it. Don't fall in. Crap, I don't want to walk through this. Well, here's Tony's house that we're walking up on. Or floating, whatever. I would say the water level is higher out here than it was last night. This is the rest of the place. Tony! We're here! There's Tony. Let's see, while I'm taking video, I'm gonna go get video of the front yard. Here's the front yard.
Do you think it's sinking into the ground?
What?
The back of the house?
No.
The very back corner, no? Okay.
No.
Well, go look at the